Hi guys, so I'm working on the om642 engine. So this is the air intake. So what I'm trying to do now is I've already put this side on and I've put them two clips on. So that's a brand new MAF sensor. This is the old Bosch unit. So what you need to do to get this off is you turn on the heat gun. So mind the mess in the garage, but that's the heat gun. Once the heat gun is heating up, what you need to do is heat up the back of this. So turn it this way, heat up this area here, and then what you would do is get a flat screwdriver like this and pry just in that gap there. So I'll just show you how I've done it. Turn this on. There we are, heat it up. Turn it off, get behind it, turn it, put a bit of pressure in, and there we are, it comes out. So I've been trying to find this all over YouTube, on the forums, and nobody for some reason has got proper information on it. But just to explain, over here, if you can see, you've got that tiny little nipple just there. That's the only thing holding it in place. A really small, let me see if I can focus it. There we are. A very small black raised area, and it's designed to come off and slide back in because it's got a slant on it. So when you clip it into the new one, it's really easy to clip in. So this is how you receive the new sensor. There we are, that little hole, and all you do is you put this in and you push it in and it'll just clip into place. But to get it out, like I said to you earlier, all you do is you put a flat screwdriver in from this side and you pry it open, and if it doesn't work from one side, try the other side, because I can't remember, it's hard to figure out where this bit is, this little nipple thing, the raised little nib, so that plastic thing. Sometimes it's on the bottom, sometimes it's on the top, so you've just got to figure it out. So if it doesn't wiggle out from pulling this tab up, pull that tab up instead. And that's it really. I've been trying to find that information everywhere. So without heat, it's really hard to do. So the next hardest bit is to swap over the old mass sensor, and it's really difficult because of this black plastic thing here. So this bangle sort of thing is quite solid plastic. The only way this comes off is if you heat it and use a flat screwdriver or one of these sort of scraping type tools. And what you would do is you would heat it up and you would sort of pry this open like this all the way around the edge, and it'll loosen it. And then what you need to do is use brute force and just wiggle it out slowly. That's the only way to do it. Putting it back in is quite a nightmare. But this side I've put in the new one. But if you can see, on this side it's sat in perfectly fine. On this side, however, it's not, it's not got, it's not pushed in fully over here. But I suppose a bit of sealant will help. I don't think it'll leak. That should be fine. So a bit of gasket maker maybe, just there. It's just really hard to push it in, push it home. But yeah, otherwise it's quite self-explanatory, but it does take a bit of time.